Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. As promised, here is the beginning of the healthy recipe series. Healthy eating is a lifestyle choice which is absolutely personal. What works for one may not work for another. Hence, it is important to know what suits you and eat accordingly. The first step to leading a healthy life is to maintain a healthy diet. Healthy food doesn't mean it won't taste good, and healthy food doesn't mean you have limited choice. Through this series, I want to help you rediscover a wide range of food recipes that are both healthy and tasty. The best way to start your days with a nice healthy breakfast. So today I'm going to share a lovely breakfast recipe. This is egg white omelette with some nice sauteed vegetables. This is a nice protein packed breakfast. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To the pan, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. After adding the olive oil, add half onion thinly sliced. Three large cloves of garlic finely chopped. Add a piece of green capsicum thinly sliced. Next, add a piece of red capsicum thinly sliced. Saute it nicely. So I've taken about 7 mushrooms that have been thinly sliced. Saute the mushrooms for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt and pepper according to your taste. Next, add half teaspoon of pepper. So the mushrooms are cooked, vegetables are done. I've been sauteing them for about 5 minutes now. Turn off the stove. Remove the vegetables from the pan and keep it aside. Egg whites are a rich source of protein and they have a very high nutritional value. Egg whites have a lot of health benefits. They are excellent for muscle growth and they also help in strengthening your muscles. Especially for those of you who are working out, it's really good for you. Egg whites also are great for weight loss because it's got a very low calorie content and it keeps you fuller for a longer time. Egg whites are also a good source of calcium and hence they are also very good for your bone health. So you can see egg whites have a lot of health benefits and you can incorporate these egg whites into your daily diet on a regular basis. Season the egg whites with a little salt, just a pinch, and a little pepper. So just whisk the egg whites nicely. So now I'm going to make the omelette. To the pan, add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Just spread the oil across the pan. Make sure the pan is completely coated. Keeping the flame on low, just close the pan for a couple of seconds. Just take the cooked vegetables, just spread it all around the omelette. Close the pan. So the egg omelette is done. The egg white is cooked. So just sprinkle some finely chopped spring onion greens. So this is optional. If you don't have spring onion greens, you can just use some coriander leaves. It's up to you. Turn off the stove. Here is a healthy, protein-rich egg white omelette with all these beautiful vegetables that you can enjoy anytime, not only just for breakfast. So have a lovely morning with this super healthy and tasty egg white omelette with these lovely sauteed vegetables. Now I've used mushrooms and bell peppers. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.